So it's 11 o'clock and they come back in here to go to bed. With their shredded box all cleaned up. Yeah, look at that smart puppy go in there and go to the bathroom. So they are going outside. It was, oh my goodness, it was an amazingly beautiful warm day. I went outside and sat in the sun and played with them a while. It was so beautiful today. Actually, I was stuck in here in the office on the computer, and Lily comes in and says, "There's not going to be many days like this. You need to come outside." You need to come outside. So they'll get in there and play in their box too, fuss with one another. Oh yeah. So Ronnie's in this other box, safe and sound. He's half their size. So this is a fun age. At 5 weeks, they start to get fun and play with one another.